Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, lover of all things good. Today we're going to be doing a fun unboxing, but before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications to my channel. It really does mean the world to me. Ring that bell, give me that thumbs up. Definitely helps the channel to get boosted as well as the videos to get boosted and also to grow, so I do appreciate it. Let's get started. So I'm going to be unboxing today a little miniature humidifier that I bought. Saw advertising for it on Instagram, kind of wanted to try it out. And it's kind of a small portable humidifier that you can actually travel with as well. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes, but more to come, and thank you so much for watching. All right, stay tuned, more to come. All right, so this is the humidifier I bought. I kind of fell victim, I shouldn't say victim, but I went ahead and bought this off of Instagram. It kind of came into my feed. It was something that I think anybody who's kind of a gardener or plant person, plant mom or plant dad, probably saw. And it's from a company, I think it's made in China, but it's from a company called Atmofix. I believe Atmofix is I won't spell it out, but I'll put a little title or drop it in the link so you can see it. But it looks pretty cool, a little cool, interesting design, but quite small. I'm gonna go ahead and crack it open right now. So it kind of came shipped okay, but it's a cool little item. And it says this is the H2O half sweet humidifier. It's very small actually. So it's actually designed to be dropped like into a water bottle or a glass of water. So you can really travel with it very easily or just basically place it anywhere. It came with a few pieces of these little filters. There's a couple of different lengths. There's like 2 short filters and then also a longer filter that you can actually put in here. And I guess so it came with 2 of each size, and drop that one. But I actually bought some more as well, some extra filters, just to have. I like to always have backups. You know, I'm that kind of person, I like to have a backup. So you can actually put this in here like that, and then like that, and then it's supposed to have this little charging cable, which I believe actually, I might need to get an extension cable for this, but it's probably about, I would say about 2 feet, 24 inches long. So it has a USB connection, and then you basically just plug it in right here like that. Let's see. And that goes in pretty good, and then you plug it. It's supposed to have like some multiple colors, so it's like a little bit of a nightlight slash humidifier. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. Stay tuned. It does have instructions all in Chinese, which I do not read or understand, but it does say here, it has a little bit of some details about how it's supposed to help with skin, but I really more so bought it for the plants, but also when I travel, because I do get a little bit of that dryness like in my respiratory system, so it's great to have a little bit of added moisture, especially in hotel rooms or if you're traveling to an environment you're not necessarily familiar with. So, all right, more to come, stay tuned. All right, so I have a little mixing glass. I'm gonna go ahead and use this mixing glass to try to turn it on. I'm gonna add some distilled water for here. So give me 1 second. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here like that. Let it rest right here. There's an on and off switch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and press that on button and see what it does. So that turns on this like kind of cool light. You can see right there. It's like a nice little kind of like bright. You can see a little bit of light right there. And okay. So let me see if there's any kind of instructions, which doesn't seem to be very instruction friendly. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical about this. I'm not gonna lie, I was. But I'm actually pretty delighted. I think it's actually quite a cool concept. It's pretty simple. This is not rocket science, but at the same time, I think it's a really cool design. Some cool little features there. It has like a little intermittent setting so press this once, the steam starts to come out. It did take a little bit of time to get it to start actually. I was like trying to find some instructions on the website or something, but it wasn't very there was no instructions and it didn't come with any either. It might be in Chinese, but again, I don't speak Chinese. But if anybody has any tips, let me know. So for myself being an English speaker only, or I should say an English speaker, it was a bit challenging to understand that piece. But it's a cool little design. You can actually do this little, if you press once, it will turn off, but like a little intermittent kind of setting where it kind of does like intermittent steam, or I should say mist. And then also you can actually do this when this little night light comes on, which is like a little bit of a white LED bright light. It's pretty cool. And then if you hold it down again, this little, which I don't know if you can actually see this on the screen or not, but it's this really cool kind of like disco ball rainbow kind of effect, which is kind of cool too. So yeah, so it's pretty cool actually. So you can do that. There's a few different options. I'll probably just leave it off most of the time, meaning off like the light off. Or I'll use probably the just regular white one, because this little disco ball is kind of groovy, like a little party in a jar. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and I'm gonna use this really close to certain plants actually. So, and you can also travel with it too, but it's pretty cool. It's the H2O. I think I called it Atmofix before. I guess it's Atmofix, like atmosphere fix. I don't know, but that's why I assume it. The actual. I don't know the branding methodology at all, but saw it on Instagram, thought it was kind of cool, and I'm pretty happy with the purchase. So $29.99, that's what I got it for. Just FYI. So yeah, I'm turning it off. I use distilled water for this, which I usually use in most of my humidifiers. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little design. You have to have this cord plugged in. It does not work without the cord, at least I don't think it does. Yeah, exactly. You have to have this cord plugged in. But yeah. There you go. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications and let me know what you think in the comments. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll have more unboxings, so stay tuned. And please don't forget to subscribe and watch the whole unboxing playlist. And if you're interested in keto recipes and cocktails, more of that on the way too. And I have a few great keto recipes for you too. So thanks for watching again, and I will see you soon. Bye.